Welcome to our channel. If you want to set up iMessage on your Mac, follow these step-by-step instructions to sync your messages across devices. Step 1. Make sure you are signed into iCloud on your Mac using the same Apple ID as your iPhone. Step 2. Open the Messages app on your Mac by clicking the Messages icon in your Applications folder or dock. Step 3. If this is your first time opening Messages, you will be prompted to sign in with your Apple ID. Step 4. Enter your Apple ID and password to sign in, then wait for the verification process to complete. Step 5. Go to Messages menu, then Preferences, and click on the iMessage tab to configure your settings. Step 6. Check the boxes next to your phone number and email addresses to enable them for sending and receiving messages. Step 7. Enable text message. Forwarding on your iPhone by going to Settings, Messages, and selecting your Mac from the list. Step 8. Test the setup by sending a message from your Mac to ensure it works properly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.